So let's start by doing a sample basic search in a database to see what we get. We're going to work with the General OneFile database provided by Gale. As an aside, there are only a few companies that provide databases to libraries and schools. Gale is one of those companies. There are also databases provided by EBSCO and ProQuest in our collection. The positive thing about this is that once you've learned the particulars of one database provided by that company, you can carry that knowledge to others. As a researcher, you can also make accounts with these services and then save your resources from different databases in one place. Back to General OneFile. It is listed here at the top of our A to Z databases because it is a good general purpose database that gives people access to a wide variety of publication. Let's click on this link and take a look around. In the center of a page, you see a search bar. The default type of search here is a basic search. This basic search seems to be a term of Gale's invention that describes a search based on their design, but you see that you can change this drop-down menu from a basic search to a subject, publication, or entire document search. So let's say we want to learn how climate change is affecting penguins. I'm going to type in climate change and penguins as keywords and see what happens. You can see that I return a number of results. If we look here to the right, you can see that General OneFile helpfully divides those results into different categories: magazines, academic journals, news, images, etc. You can see that we have some options to limit our search after the fact. We can choose only full text articles or articles that contain images. We also see that the subjects of the articles that we returned are helpfully listed. We can also click on those subject headings to narrow our search even further. If I click on the link to academic journals, you see that I have the option to limit my search even further. If I click full text and peer reviewed, my results will be limited to articles that meet that criteria. You will see that those limiters I applied are also listed at the top of the search results. That can be helpful as you navigate to remember what you have done. You can also click on the X and remove a limiter at any time. Let's take a quick look at one of the results that we returned. The article is here, and you have the opportunity to email, download, print it, or save it to an account you created with Gale. You can even download an MP3 of a file being read to you. But the thing I really like to point out to students doing research is the citation tools. If you click on that link, you immediately get the citation for this article properly formatted. You can even change the format you want the citation in. Finally, you can export the citation to a variety of different citation tools. This has been a guide to keyword searching using General OneFile as an example. In our next video, we will go over more advanced searching techniques.